Hello and welcome to day 98 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. As of now, we have been developing our app, refining the design, and testing features. Now, it's time for us to understand how do we go live. 3 more days and we will go live. So, one of the critical steps before we go live is to link the app to our domain or subdomain so that users can access our app via a professional web address instead of Bubble's default subdomain. In today's video, I walk you through step by step as to how do we link a domain or a subdomain using GoDaddy. The steps will be similar even if you are using any other service provider for your domains. Let's get started. Okay, so once we have done with SEO and meta tags details, we can go to domains and email settings and add the domain that we want to link here. It could be a domain or it could be a subdomain. So today I'm going to link it to bizmate.club, the domain that we had purchased for some other reason. Okay, and subdomains would be like app.bizmate.club or something, right? So I'll link it this way and click on set up this domain. Once you do this, if you're using Google Maps anywhere in your application, then it will show you this particular thing. I'll cancel it because we are not using it anywhere. And it's asking me to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 records in our domain provider's portal. Okay, so I'm going to get GoDaddy screen here. Okay, and we have to add records, and let's closely observe what are the records that we have to create. Okay, type is A. So all of them type will be A, and for the first 4 name will be empty. Okay, so let's go over here and type A, and value will be whatever they have mentioned. So let's go here and get this values. And this can be whatever is added by default. And on GoDaddy, this is mandatory. So if we come back, we see that this is www and this is empty. So wherever it is empty, you can put it as click add another value and get the second record, add it over here, add one more, the third one, add one more, the fourth one, right? Now we should add more records, okay, because we have a different name. Okay, so for all of this 4, the type, the name, the TTL remains the same, only the value changes. Okay, this will be A and this will be www. Value, we will get it from here. If you closely observe, the values will repeat again, right? So it's the same values that we have to add all over again. So I can just copy paste from here as well. This should have been 93. Same thing over here as right 93. So we can confirm it from here. So yeah, once this is done, click on save all records. Conflicts with another record. So let's go over here and we can see where is it already linked to www. So you can see that is over here and you can delete that. Come back, click on save. Once that is done, you can see that all the DNS records have been updated. You can actually go and check if those are updated by searching for filters, A records, and you can see that we have got at 4. We also have something called parked, so let's delete that. We don't need parked records. So we have 4 ads with the values that we had added, and we have 4 www with the same values that we had added. Okay, now this will take some time to reflect. If we go back to Bubble and click on check my settings, okay, we will still get this particular message that we are seeing here. Okay, it will take some time. Just to check, you can go to DNS checker and you can give bizmeet.lab, click on search, right? So it is getting reflected in most of the places across the globe, but Babel is still not getting the details. So it may take some time. Sometimes it may happen in 10-15 minutes, sometimes it may take 30 minutes, sometimes it may take even longer. So we will wait until this happens, and then I will show you how the link gets changed from this one to our domain that we have added. So once your domain is linked, after a while you can click on check my settings and you're all set. Bizmate.club is working and ready to go. Now closely observe, when I click on preview, your app will come in bizmate.club/version test, right? Previously, the domain was Bubble's subdomain, but now it's our own domain. We have just linked the domain or subdomain to our app. This doesn't mean that the app is yet live. We will do that settings on the 100th day. That is 2 more days to go. Now take some time, buy a domain if you have not yet bought, and if you already have a domain, then link the domain or the subdomain to your application and be ready for going live. And I will see you in the next one.